Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tricky World. So in today's video we will be looking at Power BI DAX very powerful function, which is a summarize. So summarize, as its name denotes, it summarize the values based on the calculation or fields. So let's get started. On the screen we have one sample table imported, which is a report, and we have 6 columns in it. Now let's say I want to summarize, I want a separate table, and in that table I just want region and units, so only these two. So what I can do, I can click on new table, and here I can put the summarize function. So let's say new table, I will put summarize. So it's asking first table, so table name is report, so I will type report. Second is asking group by, so group, we need to group by region. Then group by column name too, we have only one group by. In case multiple group by are there, we can add other columns as well. So here I will jump to second parameter. Now it's asking name, so for second values column I can give randomly name, maybe value main. Expression, I will just put sum of units. So that's all we need to do. It will create a table for me which will summarize the values. It will put sum of units based on region. So separate, as we can see, separate table has been created, and units are segregated based on the region. Same way we can add other as well. For example, instead of region I can add representative name as well. Now 2 columns would be there, and based on these 2 columns this value is segregated. So it's a very powerful function, summarize, where we have multiple tables, very complex data. So in data modeling we can create a separate tables as per our requirement, and we can make relationships across the tables. So that's the use case of summarize. Thanks for watching Tricky World.